I've been having a lot of problems with the video equipment recently. I'm not sure if it's within the camera or it's within the computer. I've been getting this error on a number of videos recently, which I tend to believe is something wrong with the computer, because the last couple of times it's done this, I've taken the videos and put them onto a different computer and it works fine. So we have this error on these videos, but now also I had one instance last week where I filmed some videos with the camera that I always use, this camera here that I'm using now, and the videos simply disappeared. They ceased to exist anywhere. And I know I had pressed record because I recorded two videos, and the first one I messed up in the beginning, I think twice. So I recorded the first one at least 3 times, and then I recorded the second one. So even if there was a point in time where I forgot to press record on the camera, I definitely pressed it at least several times during that whole production, so there should have been some video, but there was nothing. It was like I never even turned the camera on. So I don't know what's going on here. I don't know if it is a problem with the camera or with the computer. I don't like this computer at all. It's very unreliable and it always has problems. I hate the Mac, but I continue to use it because the video editing program is just, to me, it's easier to use, especially in bulk. I have a video editor on the Windows computer, which I like the computer better, but it takes me a little bit longer to work on that editor. So I keep this one because it just makes that process easier. But then on the other hand, if I have to do every video 2 or 3 times because it keeps failing, I'm not sure that it really saves me any time. So now I'll go ahead and click OK, even though it's not. And I think I'm going to try to import these videos again, and I'll try to render it again and see if that fixed the problem. This is part of why I tend to think there's something wrong with the computer, because it's just the stupid spinning wheel is on here constantly. It's very annoying. So I'm going to erase. I deleted the clips, and we gotta delete this. So then we have this other videos here, and these videos, and these videos. So I'm going to close this out now, and we're going to reopen it. And it's going to take a long time. Okay, we'll make a new event. We'll put the videos in again. Where's the video? It must be on a different memory card. It might be on this memory card. Let's see. Yep, it's on this memory card. So we'll grab these 3 videos, import these again, and they're importing now. So I'll make the video again, and let's see what happens. Well, this time it worked. This time was good. So that proves to me that it's something wrong with the computer, because if the video files was bad, then I should have gotten the same error the second time around. But when I redid it using the same video files and it works, that means it's a stupid computer again. I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing. I think I'm going to try to delete everything, reinstall the system and start over and see if that fixes it, but I don't know. I have found that the Mac operating system has just become increasingly unstable as time has gone on. It was decent for a while in like the late 2000s, real early 2010s, but now in more recent times, it's just garbage. I've really grown to dislike Apple. The hardware is junk, unrepairable, disposable, expensive, overpriced junk, and the software is unstable, unreliable trash, which is really pathetic because Windows is pretty stable, yet it can run on thousands and thousands of models, and the stupid Mac system runs on like 2 pieces of hardware and it can't even work right.